Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video you will learn how you can create your own amazing YouTube thumbnail just using free websites. So now let's move on to my screen recording. So the first platform is Canva. Go to the Google and type canva.com. Once you open, you need to sign up there. So Canva is a free graphic design platform which allow users to create social media posters, graphics, play with templates and other visual content so easily. Now let's search YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1280 and 720 by height. On Canva, you can also directly search YouTube thumbnail templates. You will find tons of beautiful designs. Now you can edit as you like. Or if you are on laptop, you can create new design with custom dimensions, which is 1280 and 720 for YouTube thumbnail. Here you can upload the background and scale it as you like. Also, I use my PNG images. If you want to learn how I made such PNG images, you can check previous video. Just play with it and be creative. Here you can add different elements, shapes and make cool effects. Also, you will find varieties of fonts to try. Once you are done, download it. Finally, you will be ready to make your own amazing YouTube thumbnails for free. Now the second platform is Adobe Spark. It is also free and absolutely incredible for beginners. At first, you need to sign up there to access those templates. And now you can search YouTube thumbnail and it will show all the available templates. Now let's choose one of them and edit. Here also you can upload your own images, change opacity, try different fonts. You can also switch to other templates, background colors, animations and variety of different layouts. At last, the third tool is FREEPIK. Once you open this, go to More Tools and click FREEPIK Editor. There you will find all the templates you possibly need to like business cards, flyers, Instagram posts, stories and many more, which will be also available in Canva and Adobe Spark. Now search YouTube thumbnail. It will show all the designs that you choose as you like. And start editing. All you have to do is explore and change the elements. You can upload your own photos, change the colors of shapes, adding fonts and backgrounds and many more. Unless you don't try it, you will never know. So all of these three platforms are absolutely free of cost and highly recommended by professionals as well. If you want to level up your YouTube thumbnails game, then give a shot. Let me revise it again. First is Canva, second is Adobe Spark and third is FREEPIK Editor. I hope it was helpful.